Introducing the Lur Phantom M571 Home Robot. With the Lur Phantom M571 Home Robot, you will be able to easily sweep and mop with ease. All done with Lur Phant's high-tech sensors and programming. The Lur Phantom M571 Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop will be able to aid you in your house cleaning chores. Let's go ahead to crack this thing open. Inside the box, you will find one user guide pack, one floor mopping module for you to easily alternate between vacuuming your floors to mopping your floors. You will also get a spare mopping cloth to easily change it when the first one gets worn out. Next you will get a spare HEPA filter for the dustbin to filter out and prevent particles from escaping the dustbin. Also you will get a remote control, along with 4 sweeping brushes for you to easily install and change the brushes on the robot vacuum. 2 AAA batteries will be provided for the remote control. You will also get one charging module plus a power adapter for you to charge up your robot vacuum. On first glance, the robot vacuum has a really chic and elegant silver metallic design that gives it a high-end and minimalist feel with the buttons all nicely aligned above. Thumbs up to the design team. Also it is really slim and portable. First you will have to install the 2 sweeping brushes provided in the packaging onto the robot vacuum cleaner. Installation is really simple, just push down the brushes and they will click automatically. Let's turn on the robot vacuum cleaner. The LED light will light up. Prior to first use, you will have to charge up the robot, easily connect it to your power outlet, and let the robot go to its charging dock. It will easily automatically sense the dock and align with it when you initiate return to dock mode. Awesome.
Start charging.
It will take about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge up, pretty quick given its huge battery pack. Now, head over to the App Store on your device, download the Lur Phantom Life app. The app will download quickly as the app size is relatively small. Once you have downloaded the app, register a new account and follow the on-screen setup instructions. Once you have set up the basics, you can move on to adding your new Lur Phantom robot to the app. To sync your robot with the app, hold down the mode selection button for 3 seconds and the robot will enter network configuration mode.
Enter the network mode. Please connect to the network according the app reminder.
Next, configure accordingly. The app will automatically synchronize the robot to your Wi-Fi network so you can control it remotely. How cool is that? On the app, you can start remotely controlling your robot vacuum. Easily check the live progress of your robot in action during cleaning. It maps out your house as it goes around cleaning. You can choose between different vacuuming or mopping modes. There is the wall follow mode where the vacuum will vacuum around the walls of your home to ensure all corners are swept and cleaned. Check it out in action. It swept the corners around the home really effectively and all dust and grime are removed. Next, we have the spot clean mode. You can enable this mode to clean up any mess. It will clean the spot up by going around in circles. Cool. There is a random mode where you can enable it to allow the robot to go anywhere around your house randomly to pick up dust. Also you can select the auto mode where the robot alternates between different modes that best suit your home. The selection of modes is very wide, so you can select the one that best suits your needs. Easily schedule cleanups over the app. Select when the robot should turn on and off and the robot will do that on a daily basis if you want it repeated. Easily maneuver tight space. Here we have a live demo of the robot in action. A clump of dirt and grime right over here. Let's see if the robot can sweep all of them up at one go. Wow, did you see that? All the dirt and grime have been removed and sucked up into the vacuum in one mopping feature. Use the mopping module. Ensure you fill up the water tank on the mopping module so the water can be released to moist up the mop cloth during use. Swap the vacuum dustbin with the mopping module and start mopping right away. The mopping function is super efficient. The floors are mopped effectively and you can feel the freshed up floors once the mop has gone over the area. Super efficient with its smart sensors to minimize impact between obstacles, even transparent ones like glass is detectable by the sensor. Say bye to conventional bumpers on robot vacuums. Once you are finished with vacuuming, just open the dustbin to see what lies inside. Just look at the fine dirt captured on the dustbin. So much particles. Let's dump all these dust into the trash bin. Also, after the mopping session, The mop cloth as you see is much blacker, it absorbs and removes any dust and grime left over on the floors. Excellent work to this robot.